Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in Instagram marketing, we'll discuss about some of the best practices you can think of implementing. Best practices in terms of how you can actually grow your followers and what actually you need to do as far as your content strategy is concerned, and how best you can actually optimize your content to make sure the content reaches out to the intended users and they interact and engage with you. Let us check what are those best strategies. First and foremost, 9 top Instagram marketing strategies that you can think of implementing for your business. Let us start with the first one. Start with identifying the goals and the objectives. If you have a business, there are certain services, solutions, or products. Now you are selling them and you want to have an account on Instagram to reach out to the intended audience who are available on Instagram. There are millions and millions of people out there on Instagram. You need to clearly define what is that you want to achieve by having an account on Instagram. What are your goals and objectives? This need to be defined very clearly. Point number 2, carry out a SWOT analysis. This is actually a very good thing when you talk about researching and identifying your customers, identifying who your competitors are there out there on Instagram, what they are doing, how they are doing, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. This need a clear-cut analysis so that you will be in a much better position to create your own strategy. Build content strategy and the calendar. More often than not, what we see is companies, they have social media accounts. It is Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter, Instagram, Google Plus. They all have accounts. But normally, the content strategy is not in place, neither is the calendar, the content calendar. People go all posting content like normally you do, just like a content. There has to be a clearly defined content strategy. What you need to post, how you need to post, what is the objective of this post, whether the post is intended to the audience or not, whether it is targeted, personalized or not, and when you want to post, what dates, what time. This has to be clearly defined in your content strategy, and build a calendar. Calendar, first week, second week, third week, fourth week, what are you going to post? There has to be a content strategy and a calendar. Maximize the profile. Every social networking platform, social media platform offers you a profile outlining clearly who you are, what you do, how you do, what are your services, what are your solutions, what is the website name, the URL. These have to be clearly specified in your profile page, and that has to be maximized. Do not leave anything blank. A column, a URL is not mentioned, the bio or the description of your company is not clearly mentioned, there are no keywords in it. There has to be a clear cut profile that will actually showcase who you are and what you do. Create high quality visual content. Instagram is all about the visuals, the photos and the videos, and that is how you communicate and interact with your followers. The visual content has to be of highest quality, and when you use image on Instagram, use personalized image, custom made images, not the images that you pick up from Google and somewhere else and you post it. Have the name of the company, what you are doing, the logos. Use visual content that is completely customized and targeted. Create stories and disseminate. The stories that you create through the visuals, whether it is a video or a photo, there has to be a clear cut story and what you want to say, how you want to say. That has to be clearly defined so that it is disseminated. Follow and participate in trends. A lot of trends happen and still happen on social media, whether it is Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google Plus, Instagram. Follow the trends and participate in those trends. Extremely important, so that a visibility and awareness is created. When you participate in a trend, express yourself, people will come to know about you, they'll come to your profile page. and engage with the users. Interact, engage and communicate. Social media is all about the engagement, the interaction, the building relationship. Build relationship, engage with the users, and that is a very crucial point. Listen, understand and offer solutions. More often than not, what we see is companies, they have presence on social media, and as soon as they create content, they start interacting, they keep on telling the users that we are this company, this is what we do, this is how we do, all those stuff. That is all fine, but social media is all about listening to the users, listening to the followers, listening and trying to understand what is that they are looking for, what are the pain points of their company, what kind of service, solution or product they are looking for. First listen to them, understand them, figure out what they want, then offer a solution, then talk to them, then interact with them, then engage with them, then communicate with them. Listen first, then go on offering your solutions. And these are the 9 fundamental points that you need to take into consideration for business strategy that you may have on Instagram. Some of the new and emerging strategies that you can think of implementing: creating unique hashtags relevant to your business. Hashtags play a very important role. They create a trend, they start a trend, and you can also participate in the hashtag trends. Hashtags plays a very important role in social media, and it is extensively used across all multiple platforms. Instagram also use hashtags. Start a trend, create a trend, think out of box and create a strategy. Increase visibility by participating in conversations. A lot of conversations happen on social media, including Instagram. You need to participate in those conversations. Express yourself, put across a point of view, but be careful about your language when you are interacting and communicating on others' posts. Conversation plays a very important role in increasing the visibility. Connect businesses with geotags. Geotags plays a very important role, and when you are targeting a potential customers in a particular location, geotags plays a very important role. Run a photo contest. Contest actually helps you to reach out to the intended audience and their participation, and that plays a very important role. Reward followers. You get followers. The followers are following you because they like your business or they like your business page. You have to reward them in one way or the other. Give them some freebies in terms of the PDF files, in terms of the case studies, in terms of some interesting information that you can create into an ebook and give them. Rewards play a very important role in keeping the followers engaged. And some of the useful strategies that you can think of: show appreciation to the followers. Extremely important. It is all about building relationship. You need to build relationship on social media, including Instagram. Extremely important that you show your appreciation to the followers and they really like it. Like followers' photos. Extremely important again. When your followers are posting something, obviously you are following them, you get to know their photos, you see them, and when you like them, that is how actually you build relationship. Repeat content. It is possible. The content that you may have posted a week ago or a month ago, you can tweak it a bit and post that content. It is a good thing that you can do. Respond in real time. Social media is about interaction, about communication. When a particular potential customer will be posting something, will be asking a question, you need to respond to them immediately. It is not that a question is asked today and you respond to them tomorrow or day after. That is not the way to it. Respond in real time. CTA and leverage analytics. Call to action plays a very important role. Just the way you optimize your Instagram account, you need to optimize your landing pages and the website to wherever you are sending the traffic or driving the traffic. Create that curiosity, create that enthusiasm. Call to action plays a very important role. And when you are interacting, communicating, engaging with the followers, analytics is a backbone of your entire campaign. Leverage analytics, track, report, analyze the reports, the analytical information, the insightful information, so that you can actually go about doing continuous improvement, optimizing your account to drive more and more traffic. And these are some of the useful strategies that you can think of implementing. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is 9 top Instagram marketing strategies, some of the new and emerging strategies that you can implement, and some of the useful strategies you can think about. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.